Guys, so right now we're at the Detroit Central train station. Bro, this is so awesome. These are pictures before it got redone. Guys, so we're here.
Oh my God,
it's so beautiful. Are we going to downtown Detroit today?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh no, I'm joking. I'm sorry.
Simon Clips. Oh, doing a dance there, huh? Yeah, we going in. Alright guys, so he got a new haircut. Oh, his hair is hard.
Give it to me! Just give it!
Open.
Damn!
I'll love to visit here early.
Let's not get lost now.
Okay.
This was like the highest traffic international port in the world at a certain
Oh, why did you say
The music? Let me see.
The music is overrated. Overrated?
How?
Y'all, it's so beautiful.